And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 200. Let me show the plastic wrap filter. We use Ctrl J to copy the original. We go to Filter, Filter Gallery. You'll find it under Artistic. You can also use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. I zoom out a little bit, and now we have 3 ways to adjust it. We have the highlight strength, which controls the intensity of the wrap. So higher values will create brighter, more prominent highlights. Then we have the detail. This basically adjusts the wrinkles and creases. So lower values will make that more rounded and give you less of them. Higher values will add and intensify the wrinkles and creases. And then we have the smoothness, which also adds roundness if you go higher. But this is for the overall smoothness and not just the wrinkles and creases. Don't forget to confirm we are OK. And this is how you can use the plastic wrap filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.